Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss about the refraction of light. Already reflection part is over. Reflection and spherical mirror part is over. This is the second chapter, that is the refraction of light. What is that refraction of light? Already you are knowing that refraction. The meaning of refraction is that whenever light is moving from one medium to another medium, it bends towards the normal, or whenever it moves from denser to rarer medium, it goes away from the normal. So what is the definition of the refraction of light? It is the phenomenon of bending of ray of light as it passes from one medium to another medium. Once again I am repeating, it is the phenomenon of bending of a ray of light as it passes from one medium to another medium. Suppose this is the medium, that is the glass slab. We have taken the glass slab. This is the glass slab, and the ray of light is coming from here, and it bends, and it moves through the glass slab. Again, it also bends. So two refraction phenomena takes place here. So what happens here? This is the rarer medium, that is the air medium, and the light is coming from air to denser medium, that is the glass slab, made up of glass. So the ray bends towards the normal, and this ray, AB ray, is moving through the glass slab, and when it strikes at B, it bends away from the normal. So here what happens here, two mediums are here. One is the rarer medium, and this medium is called the denser medium. So it is clear when ray of light moves from optically rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. You just look at here, it is bending towards the normal. It should be moving along this way, but it is bending towards the normal, and it is moving through the denser medium, optically denser medium, to rarer medium. It goes away from the normal. It goes away, moves from the normal. So this is of your refraction. Refraction means actually whenever ray of light is moving from one medium to another medium, it bends. Depends upon it is bending towards the normal, and it is bending towards the away from the normal. Whenever optically rarer to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. When optically denser to rarer medium, it goes away from the normal. And what is the laws of refraction? What are the laws of refraction? So there are two laws. The first law, what it tells, the incident ray, refracted ray, and the normal, at the point of incidence, they all lie on one plane. The first law, what it is telling, this is the incident ray, this is the refracted ray, and this is the normal. You look on here, the three rays, incident ray, this is the refracted ray, and this is the normal. They meet at point A, and all these three, incident ray, normal, and the refracted, they all lie on one plane. They will be lying on one plane, that is on the whiteboard. On this whiteboard, all these three rays are lying. That is the first law. And the second law is Snell's law. The second law, it is called the Snell's law. What the Snell's law tells, the ratio of the sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction for a pair of medium is constant. For a pair of medium, here we are having the pair of medium is that one is the rarer medium air, and another is the glass medium. This pair of medium. So law is applicable for the pair of mediums. For two pair of medium, so what happens here, the angle, this angle is the angle of incidence, because incident ray is making angle with the normal, that is I. And this is the normal, and this is the refracted ray. The angle made it R. So the law tells the sine of angle of incidence, that is the sine I, to the sine of angle of refraction, that is the sine R, that is constant for a pair of medium. For any pair of medium, that you will be finding, this ratio will be the constant. Sin I upon sin R equal to constant. So what happens? What is that constant? That constant is called the refractive index. You just be careful. That constant is called the refractive index, and this refractive index is told as the mu. That is the mu, and that mu refractive index depends upon the pair of medium. Pair of medium. Suppose medium number 1. And this is the medium number 2. So light moves from medium number 1 to medium number 2. The refractive index, we tell it as the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. The medium 2 with respect to the medium 1, that is told as the refractive index. So this second law, what it tells, that is told as the Snell's law, that sin I upon sin r equal to constant, that is told as the refractive index. Thank you.